To measure shoulder horizontal adduction range of motion using a goniometer, the patient is supine with the elbow extended and the forearm in neutral rotation. The glenohumeral joint is positioned at the edge of the examining table. The shoulder will be abducted 90 degrees by the examiner once the measurement process begins. During the measurement, the axis of the goniometer is aligned with the superior aspect of the acromion process. The stationary arm is aligned parallel to the floor, and the moving arm is aligned with the midline of the humerus toward the lateral humeral epicondyle.
Mr. Barnes, I'm going to measure how much you can move your shoulder using this device. When I ask you to, I want you to move your arm across your chest like this and hold it there. Now hold your arm there. Now move your arm up across your chest